Okay, thank you. Thank you. So the topic is the Millennium Development Goals, and the Sustainable Development. This class option are okay. I am removing the now. Okay, this is the thing. Okay. The objectives to learn about the MDGs and what are the main topics to know about the SDGs. Why SDGs? Why the SDGs are important? Okay. In September 2000, one of the building upon a decade of the major United Nations conferences and summit world leaders came together at the United Nations headquarters. Okay, into the adopt United Nations Millennium Development Goals. Okay, who are these people? You can see the presidents and the leaders of the different countries. Okay, the main countries. Okay, what they have said, and they set out a series of the 8 time-bound targets. Okay, so हम कहते हैं how many Millennium Development Goals? Okay, message me if any answer. Are you with me, people? There are the eight Millennium Development Goals. Okay, 8 Millennium Development Goals. Okay, what are they? One is the what is that? To eradicate extreme poverty and number one. Number two, achieve universal primary education. Okay. Number three is the promote gender equality and the empower women. Okay. Number four is to reduce child mortality. Okay. Number five is the improvement and the maternal health. Number six is the number six is number six is number six, combat HIV/AIDS, malaria, and other diseases. Okay, this is the number seven. Number seven is the ensure environmental sustainability. Okay, and number eight is the global partnership for the development. These are the eight. One, eight. Okay, these are the eight. Eight Millennium Development Goals. So, what are their this is the thing. Okay, the declaration. We are not getting anything. So why you are not getting anything? Why why? The okay. This is the Millennium Development Goals. Okay, sir, you will provide. Yes, yes, but yes. So these are the millennium. What are the sustainable development goals? Who will tell? Who will, sir, speak loudly? Yes, I am speaking. I am in the mic. Mic is in the mic. The mic, the mask. Mic in the mask. Okay. अब आवाज सही है? Okay. How is the now? My voice is coming or not? Okay. 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 So these are the eight Millennium Development Goals. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What are they? The Millennium Development Goals. Now come into the, these are the eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to remember at least these eight. Remember. Okay. Now come in, I'm not going into the detail. Okay, now come into another thing is that this is the actually the one is the what have done, what have the word done. What was the MDG one? Extreme poverty rates have been cut by more than half since 1990. Ye what eradicate extreme poverty and hunger, and we have extreme poverty rates have been cut more than half since 1990. Okay. What happens then? Let's. It is the not the end. What is the next action? Is the sustainable development goal. Let's take to end poverty and hunger everyone where by 2030. 2030 is still to come. 2030 is still to come. It is known as the Sustainable Development Goal. What we have achieved in the Millennium Development Goal, we have transferred it into the Sustainable Development Goal, which will run up to the 2030. So Sustainable Development Goals 2015 to 2030. Okay, 2015. So this is the actually the results of that. Now coming to the what is the MDG to achieve universal primary education? What was our this is the goal, this is the target. Okay, this is the target. Environment in primary education in developing regions has reached 91%. This is the achievement. Okay, and what is okay? We stop here. No, not no. Let's take action to ensure quality education for all. Okay, this is the word for all. This is 100%. Okay. So 2015 time for global action for the sustainable development. Sir, what is the MDG 3? That is the promote. Sir, आवाज नहीं आ रही why? अभी आ रही है आवाज देखो still now how voice is coming or not again in here yes this is the promote gender equality and empower women. So what we have to achieve? The world has achieved equality in primary education between girls and the boys. Okay, let's take action to achieve gender equality in all fields. Okay, now I have removed this mic. Okay, let's take action to achieve gender equality in all fields. Okay. Uh, this is the main topic. The MDG. MDG is the main topic. Okay, MDG is the main topic. To achieve mortality rate of the children under 5 has been cut by more than half since 1990. So what is the SDG? To ensure all children live long, healthy lives. Okay. What is the MDG 5? That is the to improve the health, maternal health. Okay. What is the maternal mortality ratio fell by 45% since 1990. Let's take action to ensure universal access to the reproductive health. Okay. ये so this is the 4151 and this is then now come into the MDG 6. Okay. MDG 6 what are that combat HIV, AIDS, malaria and other diseases. Okay. So let's take this is the between 2000 and 2013 new HIV infection failed by 40% and 37 million tuberculosis deaths have been averted. So let's take action to ensure healthy lives for all. This is the sustainable development. So seven, 2.6 billion. What is that? This is the ensure environmental sustainability. So 2.6 billion people have gained access to improve drinking water. So this is the actual thing. Okay, have access to improve drinking water since. Let's take action to ensure access to drinking water and the sustainable sanitation for all. Okay, this is the sustainable development. MDG 8 is the let's take action. No, sorry, a global partnership for development. In 2014, aid money increased to that amount. Okay. Now let's take action to ensure a global partnership for sustainable development. What is now is coming yet the job is not instant. For millions of the people, we need to go to the last mile on ending hunger, achieve full gender equality, improve health services, and getting every child into school. Now we must shift the world into a sustainable path. The Global Sustainable Development Goals are global goals will guide policy and functioning for the next 15 years, beginning with the historical pledge of 25 September to attain end poverty everywhere permanently. Okay. So we have the Global Sustainable Development Goals, or the global goals will guide policy and funding for the next 15 years. So this is the actually the SDGs. Okay. Yes. So this is the SDG. So here SDGs. Okay. So we are now coming from the Millennium Development Goals to the Sustainable Development Goals. So on 19 July 2014, the UN General Assembly opened a working group on Sustainable Development Goal, forward a proposal for the SDGs, okay, to the Assembly. The proposal contains 17 goals. Will be how much goals? 17 goals. In MDGs there are the 8 goals. In SDGs there are the 17 goals. Okay. So broad range of systems. So it is too broader. This include the main topics are include the poverty, hunger, health, and the education and the climate changes. Okay. Climate changes. Okay. अब आवाज आ रही है I think. SDG, the intergovernmental negotiation on the post 2015 development agenda began in January 2015 and ended in August 2015. Following the negotiation, a final document was adopted in the UN. So we in the 2015, this is the post. We are in the era of the post 2000. 15 ओके ये है डेवलपमेंट समिट सो 25 से 27 जो सितंबर में जो हुई थी न्यूयॉर्क में तो इसको हमने क्या कहा ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग द वर्ल्ड द 2030 एजेंडा फॉर सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट सो प्लीज सी द 15 जो है जो 17 हैं वी हैव द 17 goals we have this 17 goals how much 17 goals ठीक है so goal 1 end poverty in all forms everywhere ठीक है goal 2 is the end hunger achieving food security and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture goal 3 is the ensure healthy lives and promote well-being okay for all ages okay so and number 4 is the ensure this is the inclusive and equivalent quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities. And number 5 is the to achieve gender equality and improve all women and girls. Okay. What is the number 6? Number 6 is the ensure availability and sustainable management okay, of water and sanitation for all. Number 7 is ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. So goal 8 is to promote sustainable, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment and work for all. Okay, and number 9 is the building resilience infrastructure. So number 10 is the reduce inequality within the our countries. Okay, and what is the goal? Gonna make cities and human settlements include safe, resilience, and sustainable. Goal 12 is the ensure sustainable consumption of the protection pattern. And goal 13 is take urgent action to combat climate change and its impact. And goal 14, conservative and unsustainable use the ocean, seas, and the marine resources for sustainable development. And the goal 15, protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of the terrestrial ecosystem, sustainable managing forest, combat desertification, and halt and reserve land delegation and halt bio. This is the 16, promote peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development, provide access to justice and all, and being effective, accountable, and inclusive. Strengthen the means of implementation and visual global partnership of sustainable development. So we have this how many? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have the 17 sustainable development goals. So this is the end of the class in our goals. Thank you for all for patient listening. Okay, you will receive the recording of the class. Okay, and no problem you will get. Thank you for your attendance. I am going back. Any questions if you have? Yes. Any
गवर्नमेंट लोन कमाता है तो ऐसा है वोट है वोट के साथ कोई 2200 एकड़ के करीब जगह है चाइना को दिया हुआ है वोट सात एरिया हो गया वोट सारा वोट मेजर एरिया चाइना के पास 2200 एकड़ का एक वो करते हैं इंडस्ट्रियल जोन बनाया जो चाइना को ये वही इंडस्ट्री लगे
Hello. Thank you so much.
लेक्चर खत्म हो गया
Sir.
माइक से पंजो से माइक से छा इसके बाद जरा सी बुधाए मुझे ये तो न ॾियो असांखे रीयूजेबल हुजे न ये तो न ॾियो असां से माइक से जरा सी माने वरी यूज करे बुलंद बस खत्म
खत्म हो गई क्लास
अरे ॿियो इस्तेमाल कंदो